Alright. Let's continue, shall we? Can you even hear? Yeah, of course you can. Okay, let's continue. Alright, I've had coffee. Feels great. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's right, I did it. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Hell yeah. I thank you again. Excuse me, I have a few things to discuss. Nobody here knows what's going on up here. You should be fine. Once again, what bit you like that? I know, you already have figured it out where this is going. Grab your family and save yourself, conductor. Oh yeah, you have an order. Yeah. Fuck, get in. Bleeding is now stabilized. Ambulance will soon arrive. He needs hospital treatment. Oh, and your bandaging skill is lacking, matter of fact. Wasn't my bandaging. Peace, bro. Yeah. Sorry, I have work to do. Are you driving from the north? Is everything okay there? I can't contact them for some reason. Eh? Rest of the north are cancelled. Sick of waiting to do my job. I swear I saw him. I mustn't have. By the way, did you hear the strange noise about an hour ago? Nuclear? Are you sure? I don't really understand. Damn, lovely weather we got. Don't you think? Sorry, I had to crack my knuckles. Wants to see you urgently. It is urgent, he said. Hold on. I can hear myself being loud. Let's turn it up to that. There we go. Mind your tongue, mister. We owe everything to him. Keep that to yourself, too. His office is on the top of Nebuir's tower, visible from everywhere. You can't miss it. We have a driver waiting. Alright, I get it. We already did this. Come on. I've already read that, already seen that. Already did this. Lovely coffee, Jack. Cool. Alright. We did that. Need to do this again. It was this, right? And then I bought all of this. And all of this. Sweet. Sure, why not? Not busy for the rest of the day. He must have gone to the train. Sweet. Alright. I haven't talked to that guy. And we were up to here. So this time, I'm pressing it. There we go. That was weird. Lovely. We are not open yet. If you would like a room, go upstairs. I shall do that. Well, we have 2 rooms vacant. The first is to the right, but it needs extensive cleaning. Some madman's been renting it. Lovely. And then we have a separate lodging, but there's a leaking pipe. Feel free to look around. What's the point of vacating rooms? I've met the old man today. It looks like he's lost his marbles already. Nevertheless, he has told me something very important concerning the Sorry, I'm hearing myself. Concerning the first visitation. I must get to that canyon, but the train is only heading west in a week. I need to go north in the morning. It'll be faster this way. X. I can't fuck the window. It's annoying. I can't do anything but move and E. Oh, hello. Run where? What for? Eh? Seems like no one knows what's going on. I think they said that. I got a spoon and cigarettes. I love how a spoon is $2 and cigarettes is $1. Cigarettes! This is not $1. It is very expensive. And for a good reason. It's to stop people from buying it, but people keep buying it. Some cigarettes are like hundreds of dollars, almost 80, just for a pack. Depends in different countries, doesn't matter. Anyway, moving on. Another visitor! Oh, is this where the old man lives? Visiting my grandpa, aren't you? He's in his room, but please be quick. Oh, and spare him the question about settlers. His family had it rough back then. Yes, I've been there. The first visitation. I'm often asked to speak about it, but I notice that hardly anyone truly listens. After all these years, I suppose nobody needs the truth. It has all started with the capsules falling from the sky, so there's capsules in the buildings that have crashed in there. Must have started it. One of them has landed a block away from our house, from us. The gas around them was affecting people somehow. It's a good thing you know already, yet let me rephrase that. Yet this detail is ignored by most. Not everybody was affected in the same way. Old man noises. Sorry, talking ain't so easy for me now. You're all good. Memories, recollections of the visitation. Everyone who got across the zone of the visitation was treated badly. The very first night, locals burst into our tent and attacked us. They beat my father to death at the time and dragged my mum somewhere. I never saw her again. It appeared that none of the locals took the story seriously. They thought we were just migrants in search of a better life. A month later, Vermin White came to power. God damn. Okay. His beer collection. You feckers drinking the beer. Would you please shut the door before we're seen? It used to be before we're discovered. Damn. So they changed it. No, not that way. I guess that way. Pretty sure you need to use this phone box. Damn, no one answered. What the hell? Okay. Sorry, I'm just running through your house. Don't mind me. Why does coffee make me tired? Weird. Anyway, progressing. Still cool. Get into the car. You are being waited for. Okay. Oh my god. Good afternoon. Are you on appointment? I will take a look. Well. Yes, Mr. Fortin is expecting you. Come in. Come in. This crystal alone powers our plant. Part of me and the whole city. Its condition, however, should be monitored persistently. Should a single surface overheat, well, terrible things will happen. Ah, Snobby McGee. Don't worry, I know it. Electrum dust in the air blocks out radio population has a little idea. Sorry. Electrum dust in the air blocks out radio. Population has a little idea of what's going on outside. This fog isolates them from the outside world, and they tend to avoid this place. But this is none of your business. Warn them, if you must. I doubt they'll highly believe. I would suggest we get down to business. Time is running out. A contract with the council binds me in case of the second visitation to give up the factory power core. To the Guardian with it. The council was to provide transport, but we both know that your train is the only running thing for miles around. My order is given, the power core will be attached to your train, so better hurry up. Blockers are a stick in the wheel for sure, but that is up to you. See you soon. Okay. Alright. Tell me to go fuck myself then, I guess. In a polite way. My god. Talks to me for like 2 seconds and then just fucking drives me back. Without saying a word. I love it. Oh yeah, we've already seen this. Wait, do you have the blockers? Yeah! Metropole Upper House to Joshua Bands, head of Ristol Station. Blocker code confirmation 4354. Oh. The cargo is already attached. Have a nice day. Yeah, I doubt that. no, what was it? 4354. Sweet, I remembered it. I can't see the numbers. You can, I can't. My taskbar's covering it. And I can't be asked fixing it. So, last video, when I was trying to figure out the numbers, that's why. Because it's covered. Okay. Hello! Where are we going? Metropole, Always wanted to visit it. God, you are no fun. To look at the Guardian. They say when its engine starts, the whole world will hear it. Cool, just give me a sec. Please continue, that's lovely by the way. I hope... I couldn't see because of the birds. No, you just... Oh, what about you? Do you want to know why I'm drinking? Yeah, sure you do. We are settlers. We are being oppressed all the time. This is an interesting conversation, but my god. I can craft right. Yeah. I don't really need a craft, actually. Oops. Oh shit. Every damn day. Bro, don't talk while I'm not here. You can't do this, can't do that. It is not my fault my country was destroyed. Sorry, give me a sec, I'm getting a ding-dong. Tim Lanning! Tim, please, any news from the north? I'm sorry, my friend. I'm stuck in Metropole, they don't let anyone out of here. Where's the president? What does the president say? Oh, you haven't heard? Almond White disappeared a couple of days ago. The council is ruling the country now. What? What? Oh shit. Turn to dust. What's turned to dust? And not only my country. Oh my god, of course you're hungry. Give me a sec. Bro, you just don't stop talking, do ya? Oh no, I arrived. My god. Give me a sec. Sweet. Hearing myself talk has triggered me, not gonna lie. Oh. That's strong. I love it. Okay. Back to business. Code Red, please retire to the shelter immediately. Jesus Christ. That is terrifying. Pistol ammo and screws. Ooh, we got a laser sight now. That's cool. That little line. That's cool. I'm assuming I can't. Yeah. Sis, cigarette, $4. I guess that means it's worth $4 now? There's no way cigarettes is $4. Mike, I haven't solved the school cook problem yet. We need one more month to recruit him, and if we won't have it, elimination is the only option. That is what it says, right? We need one more run to recruit him, and if we won't have it, elimination is... Oh, if we don't have it! That's weird. Oh, that hurt my head. Why am I punching? I guess that works. Yes, I can fuck the window. Fuck the window. Fuck the window, pardon me, shotgun. Oh my god, pardon me, Jesus Christ, this is called the Burp video. My god. Why is there a tree in the roof? Must be a tree in the building. That's weird. The tree is flipping off the other building. Oh shit. Hey, how's it going? Hi. Damn, if only I didn't miss. That would have been satisfying. Wow, that's a nice laser sight. So this is a greenhouse or something? Oh, that's cool. Gunpowder, rags, and screws. For some reason, that fucking colour with that guy is ficking with my eyes. Oh well. What does that say? Boyo? B-A-Y-O-I? Sounds like Bayar. Boyo? I don't know. I can't read it. I feel like I missed something. We'll continue anyway. Oh shit. Hey, how's it going? Boop. Fuck yeah. So what CD this? So this must have been a musician. BBNG XX1 $14. Rubik Fake Music Mixtape 12 Classic Edition. Total $26. Wow, you're so rich, bro. Flipping. Oh, this must be a music thing. That's cool. Bullshit. Oh, you fucked my window! How dare you! I wanted to fuck it. Mary, I am not just a music... I swear, I can't read. Mary, I am not just a record seller. I've got other things going for me, but it's hard to explain. I can't tell you everything just yet. P.S. Send more photos. Mark. I'm not going to ask questions, but I'm assuming those are bad. Bad mojo photos. So I just got to reload. There we go. Oh, shit. Just a casual chair there. I wonder what that's for. Wait. Oh my god, I thought that was a wall. Like, I couldn't pass it. That tripped me out. Okay. Fuck your window. Pistol ammo. Ooh. Ooh, I could have fucking toileted them. I could have toileted them. Man, this toilet should be heavy. This dude's strong as fuck. What's his name? Edward Jones? Something like that? Don't pop out the door! Oh, I got fucking throwables for days. That's a lot of text. Dennis Morgan, known as Blacksmith, born in Winston, after his parents' tragic death, was placed in a local orphanage at a very early age. He has broke out from it in his teen years and was on the run for nearly 26 years. During his unusual life, he has changed numerous cities and false names. These days, he is known as Guardian Project Chief Engineer. B. Report is lacking details. So that must be like description about a dude. So this blacksmith must be a bad guy. Or he's done something that is to be recorded. That's blood. Fuck. I'm not going that way. Is that blood? Or is that pain? Is that someone struggling and then turning into a zombie? That's fucked. It's pixelated so I can't tell, but that's fucked. Why is that specific room locked? Okay. Peter, look. I think you are overreacting. I love how you could hear the clap. That felt very nice. The whole city can't be involved in a conspiracy. And think about it. Who could need a simple school chef like you? Janie. Wow, that sounds so mean. I love how it looks like they were on a date. The tables, all that. The key. I got the key. The key! The key! What's this? Oh. Let me guess. Why is this locked? Okay. Pistol ammo, shotgun, handcuffs. Why? I will go borrowing under his house tomorrow. There is not much left now. I think we will have a wiretap by Tuesday tops. Bro, these people were trying to kill him. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm dead. I wasn't prepared. I didn't have enemies for a while. So I was like, not on alert. Thank God. Jeez. Ran out of ammo just in time. Closed. Oh, is this the bunker? Holy shit. So those zombies are unidentified objects. There are 12,014 of those fuckers in that bunker. Yeah, I'm not going down there. Oh, it's kind of a waste of ammo using this. There we go. There's no possible way to even open it, but that's still fucked. And scary. They did a good job. Imagine facing all that. 12,014 of those fuckers that I just killed in like a bunker space. You would be dead instantly. Okay, so the X is getting bigger. Okay. And that, my friend, is a bomb. And it's called the last bomb. People here were weird. Damn. Amanda, I have sent Jonas to base A1 on Metropole outskirts. Hope they will teach him some good manners there. P.S. Remove the graffiti. Okay. So this feels like a cult. Like, town. Like, not a cult, but like a town that, like, is run by, like, one guy, but he's like a maniac. Because I get a graffiti, but you don't... They feel like... It sounded like they were going to torture him. Yeah, like, hope they will teach him some good manners there. In, like, an A1 base. Yeah. Well... I'm kind of glad they didn't launch the bomb. Oh, shit. Throw it! Nice! Oh, got ammo. Wasn't shooting for a second. Didn't get why. Why did it take so many bullets to kill you? I must have kept missing. The rocket is ready to launch. I will await the orders. Fuck, they were almost gonna launch it. Don't shoot! Metropole? Thank God. I'm in. Bro! He could be evil. Why are you letting him on the train? Alright, whatever. Oh shit. I had to waste that. Monday transcript. Nothing. Tuesday transcript. Are you sure now is the time for all this? Yeah, if it isn't, then when? I would like to wait a little longer. We have been waiting long enough. Is this the 30th bus now? Fine, just go quickly. Okay, railway key, Metropole, upper house, Mark, Macarol. That's pretty cool, man. fourth burp. Every time I burp, have a shot. And if you can't have a shot, have milk. Blocker code, I've got to read the code. 2763, 2763, 2763. 2763. Fuck, I fucked it up. 2763. I can't see the paper, so I have to remember it in my head. That was a fun mission. Hell yeah. Belus! Vominos! Okay, anyone hungry? Okay. Cool. Cool. Oh, a rookie! Hello. Hello. Oh. Do I have... Oh, I need more food than anything. Are you with us? Yes, sir. I mean, yes. Oh, are you a soldier? Army man, huh? No. I'm a mere civilian. I mean, I'm an ordinary citizen. You're acting suspicious. I don't like people like you. Yeah, you are acting suspicious. I can't tell you anything. I got an order. I mean, I don't have to tell you... Oh my god. It's clear. It's all clear with you, Greenhorn. Wow, this is a riveting conversation, guys. Do you remember, I control the vents. I only have half a bottle left, sorry. I mean, are you going to the shelter too? Ah, wait. Why shelter? But the second visitation. Are you one of those fanatics? I'm not reading that. My god, we've already done this. Okay. Puts up out and has around to a... Wow, that's cool. Okay. Cool. Have I gone lower? What the fuck? There we go. Beer. Oh shit. I need to food you. Alright, sweet. Cool beans. Alright. Going. Alrighty. Let's go! Yeah! I was just having a bit of coffee. Did you hear that? I heard that. What the hell? Oh, that rain sounds so good. Oh, fuck yeah. Did I miss something? There we go. Could you maybe take a day off, tell your boss we have an anniversary? I can't. He has left early today. He's got important business at the pipe, he says. At the pier, not the pipe. Why do I think it was a pipe? Pier. He's been frequenting that place lately. Oh, someone must have died. Poor dude. That music, bro. That's cool. Ooh. That's moving. I ain't fucking with that. Joe, it's done. Everything works. The council must let me work on the Guardian now. You can have my house. Tell her if you like. I'm going to Metropole. Okay. Why is Alien here? Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. Fuck the window. I'm giving you all Delta conductors we've got. Don't know what you are. Don't know what are you working on. But best luck. Best of luck. Oh, my brain. It's saying this, right? We've got. Don't know what are you working on, but best of luck anyways. You mean what you are working on? Igman's Electron Appliance Store, Metropole First Circle. I don't think the people who make this game speak English properly, which is completely fine, but it's hard to read sometimes, man. I felt like I just had a stroke. I love this game. I completely forgot how some of the words are. Nothing wrong with that. You guys made an excellent game. Fucking hell, my brain. Don't know what are you working on? You mean... Oh, is it don't know? What are you working on? No, I'm right. It's meant to be what you are working on. I don't know what you are working on, but best of luck anyways. Is that what they're trying to say? Because they said, don't know what are you working on. Like it's another whole question in itself. But then it goes, but best of luck anyways. Alright, moving on. I'm sorry, I'm not making fun of you, but like, fuck. Anyway, my brain. Fuck the window. No, don't attack me. There we go, good. Where's the enemies? Oh. So that's powered. That's Chinese. Is that Chinese? That's Chinese in the back. That's cool. I wonder what it says. Oh, hey. Just let me take your food real quick. Take a man's food and fuck him up. Okay, that's a little close for comfort. Ow. That works. That idiot we've leased our room upstairs stole 2 books from us. Going to the police. I will not let this slip. Damn, why would you do that? Same dreams again. My next stop is Ristol. I've heard of an old man living there. Witness of the first visitation. If I can meet him, I'm sure he will guide me. X. So this X person, we seem to be going somewhat of the way he was going, but backwards. It feels like I'm going back through time with this dude, because we've already met the old man last station. And this dude's saying he's going to the man, but he's trying to meet him? But it was the last... I'm having a stroke, I don't know. It's cool though. It's cool details. Alright. Is that oil? Or just really old water? Who knows? I like it though. Sounds in this game are very minimalistic, but very good. Like it's a good kind of rain, you know? Okay. Don't attack me. You know what? Fuck it, I'm using it. Alright. Thought there was enemies there. Tell Jack I'm not lending my car to him. I only have one, and I worked my ass off to get it. Are there no taxis in Ristles, or what? In Ristol. Scraps, well... Your fucking car says it's scrapped. So, it's not the best car in the world, is it? Spoon and jars. I love how jars is more expensive than a spoon. Whoops, I did not mean to waste that. I didn't even know I picked it up. Fuck, I regret wasting it. That works. God, I thought I was gonna die there, not gonna lie. Fuck the window. I love I love saying that. I love doing that. Yeah, eat it. What's this room for? Ooh. Fuck the window. Martha, they need to wait for another hour. I have an urgent matter at the storeroom. Okay. Guardian keychain. Ooh. What's this Guardian? It seems like a robot. Oh shit. I meant to throw it. Oh, thank God. I missed horribly there. We will not speak of that. Fuck the window. That's a nice TV. Sadly, it can't be used. Okay. Hey, sir. Did you kill them? Yep. No. 2 or 3 have made it upstairs. Okay. I'll be waiting on the floor, on the train. On the floor. Fuck's sake. Okay, so that's another passenger. Dear Dad, I know it's very hard to work as a cashier at your age, but it is the only option. Sorry, I'm having a stroke. Don't mind me. I'm not actually. We have when Mark and I married. Well, have you living with us? Oh, poor girl. That must have been Mark then. Whoops. Well, sorry Mark, I fucked your toilet. I didn't fuck it, I threw it. Anyway, oh, he's dead. Metropole Upper House to Vincent Green, head of Arden Station, locker code confirmation 6676. Man, imagine you pull up the rope and there's like money or something. It would have struck gold. Not that it would matter, because money's useless now. I'm pressing the wrong button. E is to throw, and I'm pressing the mouse by accident. Hold it. Good. Nice. That's how you conserve ammo. Okay. Cool. Don't know why that has to be locked. Thank God that hit. Fucking hell. Oh, what? You can't punch it? I see how it is. Empty? Why? Oh my god! Son of a bitch! Smart fuckers! There was no way for me to prepare for that. Oh god, yes. Trying to save ammo and shit. Are you sure it's safe there? Can you guarantee it? Okay. God, I want a pistol. God, I got a lot of pistol. God, I'm beating the game. Oh shit. Down. Nice. That dude like fell very slowly. That was funny. Ooh. How to save money and make $1 million. DK Miller. Well, you obviously didn't do a good job. That works. That feels good. Hey! I did it, mofo. God, it's such a cool robot over there. Alright, I've read that. Okay, I've already forgotten the code. 6636 6646. Give me a sec. Oh, 6676. 6676. And give me a sec. Oh shit. Okay, I might leave it here when we get to the next station. Okay, cool beans. Sorry, I keep pausing it. Oh shit. Okay. How bad are you? Cool. How can one drink? I'm afraid he doesn't know what's happening. Give you a med kit. Just in case. Basically, why are you yelling here? Craft. I hate that I can't craft food. Yeah, those are fine, it's just this. Great travel companion. Beggars can't be choosers. God, can you guys, like, get along? Now to the shelter or Metropole? I'm thinking shelter, it's closer. But I want to see the Guardian. I would like to see him too. They can't start him without the central processor and the power core. What, so they decided to create this central processor? I think it's just an electric brain, why not call it that? Call it whatever you like, but it was a stupid idea. Ooh. Yeah, I can't give you food, man. Ah, fuck. Can we be here? Oh, I can! Fuck. Shit! You're fine! Alright, I'm going. Don't die! Woof! That was close. I'm ending it here, by the way. Oh yeah, this is good place to end here. Alright, see you guys later.